Guys, when a man loves you, he doesn't allow you to wear short things, miniskirt, bum short, public. You understand it? Those things you can't wear public just because he doesn't want people to see your legs or your body, because your body is his body. You understand it? Just because, guys, some of the women, they don't tolerate their men, because that woman, he can answer his man that it's my body, I can wear what I want. It's not your body, it's his body. You understand it? Because you are showing people his own legs, his legs. You understand it? Because you are wearing a bum short or a mini skirt, and other men will see, now will see your legs. And that's why men are very jealous people, guys. A man is very jealous. Men are very jealous. They don't want people to see, to see your legs, because your legs are his legs. You understand? You can wear a short thing or a miniskirt when you are in a private place. You maybe you are only two. You understand? But in public, guys, I don't.